So we do reconditioned batteries for hybrid vehicles. We mostly focus on the Toyota technology, so vehicles that have Toyota batteries or Toyota vehicles or vehicles with a system designed by Toyota. Typically it starts with they're driving down the road one day, or they get up in the morning and turn their car on and they get a bunch of warning lights on the dash. And then that usually prompts them to go to the dealer or their service center that they normally go to and get the car looked at. At that point they find out that their hybrid batteries failed, it needs replaced, and then they get a $3,000 quote or a $5,000 quote depending on what state they're in. And a lot of people are shocked by that price, so they start looking online for alternatives, and then they find us. So whether it's calling or going on the website and scheduling your battery replacement, it's quick and easy. If you do it on the website, you get a call right back. We confirm everything. We go over our full process with them. We let them know how the process works, what the warranty is, how we take payment, get them a date and time, get them on the schedule. Once they're all scheduled, I would say the process starts about an hour before. The installer calls them, updates them on the ETA. Sometimes they're a little ahead, a little behind, confirm the location and the time we're going to be there. They show up and they'll start on the car. The first thing that they do is gain access to the battery, so that usually involves some interior disassembly. So we take the old battery out. Obviously we've got the good battery with us. We'll put it back in, put everything back together. At that point we'll clear the trouble codes, test drive the vehicle, make sure that everything is working as far as the hybrid battery goes, like we believe it should be. Then once that's done, if there's payment to be collected, we collect the payment, and then they're happy driving away again. We take all the old batteries back, the cores, so when we take the battery out of your vehicle, we bring it back to the warehouse, one of our 2 reconditioning facilities. It gets completely disassembled. All the battery cells go through that process on our equipment where we exercise them. That restores capacity to the cells. Then they go through some more testing where we actually want to determine things about the modules that we're going to use, whether it's the capacity, the power of the module. And then once they go through that testing, we do some more organizing and grading because we want to group those strong modules together and get rid of the rest. And then they go through a final charge and then some final testing. Then we build the rest of the battery around the cells, all the good block of cells. We build the rest of the battery around it, and that usually includes a reconditioned ECU depending on what type of battery it is, the upgraded nickel bus bars, the wiring harnesses inside, we'll recondition those, or we build new harnesses depending on what we need to do. And then the rest of it gets assembled and it gets the labels and then it's ready to go. We've actually developed our own process and our own equipment. We build our own equipment in-house to recondition the batteries, and it does the exact process we want it to. So we're certain we can tell you we're the only ones that do it the way we do it because it's our machines that we built. I'd say what makes it work best here is the teamwork here. You know, everything is basically done in teams. We've got our sales team, we've got our installer team, we've got our marketing team. In the warehouse, we've got guys that disassemble batteries as a team, guys that run the equipment as a team, and then we've got another whole team of guys that builds all the equipment, tests it, so everybody's always working together.
Hi, I'm Jawad Malik, and I work in the electronics department, and I help build our profiling machines.
Hey, I'm Adrian. I help out with warranties and help run the logistics of the company.
Hi, I'm Steve. I'm the guy that's building your batteries like I'm going to have it in my car for the next 5 years.
Hey, I'm Zach. I work at sales at Green Bean Battery, and I enjoy helping clients understand more about hybrid batteries.
As production manager, I'm trying to increase production of the batteries because the demand is increasing.
One thing I like doing for customers is showing up on time and making it look like I've done this before.
Hi, I'm Craig, and I'm the voice of Green Bean Battery.
I repair the harnesses for the batteries and also repair the ECU.
I do all of the marketing for our company. It is everything that you see from the first time you ever find us on Google over to the website, and then handing you off to our very talented sales crew here to help you with every one of your needs.
We work so well as a team, and we communicate so well with each other as far as the whole staff and as far as everything that we do. It truly makes it a pleasure working every day.
Luke Riley, Craig?
Hi, I'm Luke, and I do everything.
I don't really know what else to say.
Man, that's pressure, dude.
One thing that I like about Green Bean, among the many, is we have a great team here. We're always working to improve our process. We take a lot of pride in our work.
What I really like about Green Bean is the innovative thinking that they do to make these batteries.
We're good for the environment, Good for the customer, good on price, good on warranties.
One thing I like about Green Bean is that we offer a great alternative at a more affordable price point.
We're a company with a conscience. Not only last year did we win an award for our recycling efforts, but we're also 100% paperless. So not only is green in the name, but it's something that we live by.
I'd refer you to our Google reviews. That's something that was really surprising for us. I think we're at 265 Google reviews now, and we get emails daily, from customers that were happy with the service or the installer, or just glad they saved money. And we always share those with all the team because it takes everybody to make that work.